Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Can you just turn on your video, please?
Hello.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes.
Just do one thing. Turn on your camera. So it's your first mock, right?
Yes.
So we'll quick start with your brief introduction. Please go for it.
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. Myself, Qureshi Aiman, and I'm living in Maharashtra. Currently, I'm studying my bachelor's in computer field. Yes. Awesome.
Tell me about your skill sets.
My skill sets are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
What are semantic tags?
Semantic tags. Semantic tags are those which contain the meaning of the content and structure of the HTML document. Some are the HTML, some are the semantic tags are header, footer, asides, articles, etc.
What is HTML tag and element?
Okay. HTML tag is used to create an HTML document and render their properties. Every HTML tag has their different properties, and HTML, sir, background wise आ रहा है. HTML elements used to create and web pages and define their content between them. Yes.
What is an attribute?
Attribute is something that gives some additional information of HTML element to the web browser.
Tell me some examples of attribute.
What?
Tell me some names of attributes.
Okay. href, alt, mm, class, ID, etc.
How do we include CSS in our web page?
सर आपकी आवाज वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
How we can include CSS in HTML?
लिंक ना.
Don't you have headphones?
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है से. हेलो.
How do we include CSS in our HTML page?
Okay. By using a link, um, by using link relation, by using link
Tell me the
href.
ways. Tell me the different ways.
Okay, sorry. There are three types of apply linking CSS in an HTML page. One is inline, internal, and external.
Which have the maximum precedence?
Inline.
How do we use inline?
We use inline directly in the opening tag using the style tag.
Style tag or attribute?
Style is a tag.
By using style tag, you can use inline CSS.
What?
By using style tag, right?
Huh.
It is for
Yes.
inline.
Style is a inline.
And what about internal?
What about?
Internal style.
Okay. Internal style, we use it in head portion by using style tag, and we apply the CSS inside it using the selectors.
No. Tell me the difference of HTML5 and HTML5
HTML?
and HTML.
No, I'm not getting your question, sir.
What is the difference between HTML and HTML5?
HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to create and websites and applications. HTML5 is the updated version of HTML, which brings the additional features to the markup language. HTML is less mobile friendly, and HTML5 is more mobile friendly. HTML did not support the audio and video, and HTML5 support audio and video. Doc type declaration of HTML is quite lengthy and long. Uh, Doc type declaration of HTML5 is quite simple and easy. Yes.
As you said, HTML is a markup language. Why it is said so?
Uh, because it is the skeleton of the develop skeleton of the our HTML page, because we use all the tags and elements in it to show it on the web browser. That's why.
What are CSS selectors, different selectors?
Selectors, there are two types of selectors. One is simple and another one is advanced selector. Simple selector um, includes the universal selector, tag selector, class selector, and ID selector. Advanced selectors are combinator selector, attribute selectors, and pseudo selectors.
Elaborate it more.
Yes.
Please elaborate it more.
Okay. Combinator selector has four subtypes: descendant selector, adjacent selector, uh, descendant selector, direct child selector, adjacent selector, and general sibling selector. In adjacent, in descendant selector, we it shows the parent-child relationship. Direct child, direct sibling selector, we use the greater than symbol. In adjacent sibling selector, we use the plus symbol. In general sibling selector, we use the symbol tilde. Attribute selector, and then the pseudo selectors are of two types: pseudo class and pseudo elements. Pseudo class use pseudo class used to define the special state of the element, and pseudo element used to style the specific part of the HTML element. Pseudo class are first child, last child, first of type, last of type, nth child, nth of type, hover, etc. And pseudo elements are first line, after, before, etc.
What is Z index?
um, Z index, we use Z index to stacking the order of stacking the order of HTML element when we use the CSS positions in it.
Again,
Yes.
please repeat your answer.
We use the Z index to stacking the order of the HTML element to apply the position on it, or to fix in a particular position, to fix in it in a particular position.
How do you relate between the position, relative, and absolute?
Position, absolute, and relative.
Yes.
Position relative if we apply position relative to the HTML element, it uh, move with its parents using the helper properties. And when we use the position absolute, it works with the it depends on the position absolute and relative to move with the helper property on its parents.
Okay. What is Flexbox?
What is
Flexbox.
Flexbox? Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, I'm not remembering at this time.
Okay. Tell me, what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a scripting language which is used to implement the complex feature to the markup language.
Why it is said that it is a scripting language?
Scripting language.
Okay, let it be. What are the different data types in JavaScript?
There are two types of data types in JS, primitive and non-primitive. Can we have to elaborate?
Yes, you have.
Okay. Primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types stores the value, only one value at a time, directly in the memory, and we cannot manipulate when we need it to change the data. And non-primitive data types store the multiple values at a time, and we can manipulate the data when we need it. Primitive data types are string, boolean, null, undefined, and number. And non-primitive data types are functions, array, and object. Yes,
What is the difference between undefined and null?
undefined and
Null.
null. Um, Undefined, when we declare a variable but not assigning any value to it, it shows the undefined. And when we declare any variable and it is empty, then it throws the null. We use null in a declaration to shows it's an empty, to show it has the empty value. And null by default it shows an object data type.
What is an array?
What is array? Array is a versatile container which store the value on the basis of indices. On the basis of indices.
Indices or index?
Index, multiple indices. Index number on the basis of
What
index
is a
number.
function?
Function. Function is a block code or instructor which we design to perform a particular function or task. It's function.
What is function expression and function declaration?
Function expression. Uh, function uh, function declaration is when we declare any variable with use of and function and you using the parenthesis in which we pass the parameters, and when we call the function we have to pass the arguments in it to use to function properly, and function expression. I don't know.
Share your screen.
Uh, is it visible? Hello.
Yeah, yes, yes, it is visible.
Uh, yes, sir. Hello.
Wait, wait. Copy this. I said copy in chat section. I have sent something.
Yes.
What you have to do is find out the companies which have means find out the object of company which have finance and software domain.
Finance and
Software.
software. Okay.
Yes. Go for it. You want more time or you want to skip this question? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Do you want to continue? You want time or you want to skip this question?
Um, I'll skip. I will see after.
No. I have sent something for you in chat section. Please copy this. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
What you have to do is remove C from the given array.
See.
Yes. Remember, you have to remove only C, only one element. If you want to quit, you can tell me, no problem.
Sorry, I will take it after the interview. Can we want it?
You don't know about slice and splice methods.
Yes.
What are those?
Um, Slice is a string method and splice is a array method.
Please repeat. Hello.
Yes.
Please repeat your answer.
Slice is a string method and splice is a array method.
Splice is the array method. Only array method, or it can be
Yes.
used in a string method also.
Yes. Not hearing you.
As you said, splice is the array method, right?
Yes.
Can't be used in a string. Tell me, what is unshift used for?
हेलो नहीं आवाज नहीं आ रहा है आपका थोड़ा
What is unshift method used for?
so unship unship method used to add the str use the element at the start of the array. Hello.
Please repeat. I'm not getting your voice.
Unship method is used to add an element at the starting of the array. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Wait, wait a second. How to convert an array into a string?
Using join and splice method.
Using join and
Splice method.
splice.
Yes.
What is concat method? Hello.
Yes.
What is concat method?
Okay. Um, concat method is used to concat the string.
Only string or array also?
Uh,
It is only for string or array,
yes. It is for a string.
not for an array, right? Hello. Can't you hear
Uh-huh.
me?
I'm not hearing you properly.
Make your voice 100%, please. Increase your volume.
Yes, my volume is full.
I'm done from my side. Do you have any questions for me? You can leave.